Welcome to the Renaissance Learning video tutorial for setup of courses and classes for the new school year. This session will provide a step-by-step tutorial to allow users to add pupils and teachers into their classes at the start of a new school year. It is important that users are aware that at the start of every school year, pupils and teachers will need to be reassigned to new classes since they are automatically removed at the end of the previous school year. In order to assign your classes, you must firstly set up the new school year. To do this, see our new school year setup video tutorial. In order to set up your classes, you will need to log into Renaissance Place as an administrator. To ensure you are in the correct school year, check in the top right hand corner on your Renaissance Place homepage. Then, from the home screen, select Courses and Classes. On the next screen, select the course you wish to edit. If there are no classes within this course, then you have two options. You may copy over your classes from the last school year. This is covered in the new school year setup tutorial. Otherwise, you must add a selection of new classes by clicking the Add Class option. In the Add Class section, the first thing that we need to do is select the intended marking period your class will run within. If your class is going to run for the entire school year, choose the entire school year from the drop-down menu. In this case, the entire school year is selected by default. Now, name your class. You may also add a brief description or comment about the class if you wish. Once you are finished, press Save. Follow this method for each class you wish to add within this course. Once your classes are in place, select the class you wish to edit. On the following screen, choose Edit Class Personnel. Now press Search. A list of your school's staff will appear. Tick the box next to the teacher you wish to add. Now click Assign. The highlighted box above determines which programs pupils in each class can use. Tick the boxes next to the appropriate programs for this class. Also, ensure that the Renaissance Place is also ticked in all classes. Please bear in mind that any additional staff you wish to view this class also need to be assigned. These should be given the status of team members, not lead. This option should be allocated only to the primary teacher of that class. The status of a teacher can be changed in the drop-down menu. Once you have finished, click Save. You will be returned to the Class Task menu. Now select Class Enrollment. This is where you can add pupils to your class. On the right hand side is the Search for a Pupil box. If you are assigning a specific year group, you can filter from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, press Search to bring up a list of the entire school. Tick the boxes next to the name of the pupil you wish to assign. Then click Add. When you are finished, press Save. This completes the setup of this class. You should follow this process for each subsequent class you wish to set up. To check that the class has been set up correctly, you will need to log in as one of the assigned pupils. If the option to take a test or take a quiz is present under the appropriate programs, then the class setup has worked correctly. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial. If you have any further questions, please call our customer services hotline on 0845 260 3570.